Hello friends, welcome to the channel retailconnect.com. In this session, we will discuss how to run a cron job, or you can say create a scheduler on Ubuntu machine. Okay, so for that, you have to install your cron on the Ubuntu. Okay, so if you have not installed, then you can install with the command apt-get install cron. Otherwise, you can also check that whether it is installed or not on your Ubuntu machine. Okay, so the command is systemctl status cron. So you can see that the service is actively running. Okay, that means the cron is installed on our machine. Otherwise, if it is not installed, you have to run the command apt-get install cron. Okay, now the next step is you have to check the cron tab. Okay, so there is some command cron tab, and you can write E. So you can see you will get the open with some this type of page. Okay, where you can have to write your scheduler code. Okay, and you have to use these commands to save or paste or your code here and then save it. Okay, after saving it, you can check on your folder as well. You can see it here. Let's suppose this is the folder where first we go to the root, then we will go to the where. In where we have the folder called spool. Then we have the folder cron if you have cron installed. Then we have cron tabs. Okay. So when you if you install any if you save any cron job, then it will be saved here. You can edit here and easily change your commands here. So you can see we have one cron job running already. Okay, so this is the timing scheduler, and this is the python exe which we are using to run this python file. Okay, so this will run every minute. Asterisk divided by 1 means it is running on every minute. Okay, so this is for hour, this is for minute. Okay, and if you want to run with, let's suppose, time on, let's suppose 10 a.m., then you can write like 10. Okay. So you can either change this manually here, or you can use this command here as well to change your commands. Okay, so you can easily see the same things here. Okay, so the first time if you are not installed any scheduler here, then you will not get this file as edit mode. You will not get it here, this file. Okay, so first time you have to manually create by using the command. Okay, now what you have to check whether the cron tab is what are the cron tabs means installed on your system, running on your system. So for that you have to write this command cron tab -l. It will list all your cron jobs. So you can see it will show you all the jobs which were this you have created here. Okay, so in this example we are using the python. If you don't are using the python, or you have normal batch file or something, shell file, okay, shell commands, so simply use this scheduler timing and then call your file. Okay, or if you have some arguments, then pass some arguments, space some arguments, okay, to the file. Okay, so this is the thing where you how you can install this cron jobs, or you can create a scheduler on your Ubuntu machine. So you can see this is the Ubuntu 20.04 version. Okay, so in summary, where you can find this cron jobs in the pad, spool, cron, and cron tabs, and you can easily create your new job here by typing in next line. Okay. Okay, so thanks for watching this session.